now we're about to install the Mytee Products winch cable with a working load of 4,200 pounds, 4,250 to be exact. So come along with me real quick so I can show you how to install the cable. This is a 75-foot cable. If you go 100 feet, it typically bounds up in the winch, so we like to run 75 feet. And it also has, let me show you this safety lock down here. Another added feature of the Mytee Products winch cable is the self-locking hook, as opposed to just the little clamp. This right here operates a lot better. Nice and tight, nice and secure. Now we're going to install the 3/8 Mytee Products cable. Now typically, you would use a pry bar, but here at the shop, somebody has the pry bar, and we're going to use what we have. So what you do is, you lift your tensioner up, and you're going to roll your drum into position. You're going to take the Mytee Product 3/8 winch cable and insert it through the hole on the top of the winch drum. And the tape prevents it, like we were showing you earlier, from fraying. And then after that, we're going to tighten down this set screw with an Allen key. So you can see that.